The Grips Lockjaw Riggers Bag is suited for a variety of small objects and hand tools. The Lockjaw Riggers Bag is perfect to attach to a tool belt, harness on your chest, or even the shoulder. Featuring a robust metal snap frame built into the zip, allowing you to access all contents of the bag without having to work around a flimsy lid, with internal and external load-rated D-rings and retractor pouches to give great flexibility with tethering. This item is load-rated to 5 kilos or 11 pounds. The D-rings are load-rated to 3 kilograms or 6.5 pounds, and when working with a retractor, it'll be load-rated to 0.7 kilograms or 1.5 pounds.